Okay guys, happy afternoon! So by the way, this is Sir Mav. So ipapakita natin ngayon kung paano gamitin ang Auto Park Assist ng BZ4X na parallel parking. So ngayon, tingnan nyo to. Ito lang yung pipindutin natin.
Alright guys, sige na natin ang parallel parking ng BZ4X.
Okay. To start the Auto Park Assist button, just press this Park Assist button. At kapag pinindot nyo na po siya, makikita po natin dito kung saan po tayo magpa-park. Pinutin po natin to. And let's start the Auto Park Assist. Release the brake pedal. And siya na po yung maghahanap kung saan po yung ating parking. Looking up. And relax ka lang po. Siya na po ang gumagalaw. I-assign niyo lang po yan. And yan. That is how we use the Auto Park Assist button of BZ4X.
Alright, let us see kung okay ang kanyang parking.